Take a quick breath. Were they like actively trying to get into the pool area or something?
They walked in. They yanked the door and walked right in. He said, "No, I'm a U.S. Marshal. You can't leave. You got to wait for the Kenosha police." And then I pulled my gun.
Do you have a concealed carry permit?
Yeah, it's in the car.
What state is it through?
It's through Alabama.
There's some major issues.
Let's verify how and why he pulled his firearm. And is Alabama even a valid CSW here? At what point did the gun come into play?
I was standing there. I said, "You guys are not leaving." Okay. "Oh, yes, we are. We're going to leave." I said, "No, you're not." I pulled it out. I went like this. And then I had my finger there.
So it's pointed at one of them.
I didn't point it at him. I was pointing like this.
Brother is a U.S. Marshal, I guess, and I'm sure he would be
not very happy with his conduct.
You're going to be under arrest right now.
Why? Can I ask why?
Your charges are impersonating a police officer,